Hey, welcome back. This is a very quick walkthrough of Google Chrome's new AI mode. So now that I have enabled a couple of flags, I have this AI mode button here. So I can type something and then click AI mode, and then it initiates the AI mode. And then, you have the AI summary search result here, and you get sources, the list of links here, and this should be the history, and you can start a new chat by clicking here. Now if you don't type something and then click AI mode, another option is to directly click the AI mode icon here, and then it opens the AI search box. You can either type something, include an image, or upload a file, and then use that to start searching. So for example, I can upload image of a plant and let it identify, and then I can ask questions. I can upload maybe a file, a text file with data, and then ask questions and do search that way as well. So that's how I use AI mode. My favorite thing, funny enough, is the animation that comes when you click AI mode. See that Google colors, in a nice glow. So yeah, that's how you use AI mode in Chrome. As of now, you need to be in a place where AI mode is supported. I got this access last week when they enabled it for India, and you need a few flags as well. Okay, I can't remember the name of flags. I'm going to put that in the description. All right, thank you for watching.